there, Kinvestigators! It's me, Kinzie! Welcome to today's episode of Kinzie Kinvestigates Science. Today's science Kinvestigation was inspired by my famous furry friends of KittyTube and their newest book, The Water Kitten by Darcy Pattison. This splashy story is also the Reach book pick for August 2025. Check out these glasses. Nope, not for juice this time. Today, they're actually going to become instruments. When I pour in some water and give them a tap, tap, tap with my spoon, they play musical notes. Want to hear? Did you hear that? The different glasses didn't sound all the same. That's pretty cool, right? But how does it work? Let's talk about why the glasses make sounds and why those sounds are all different. When I tap the glass of water, it makes a sound because the glass starts shaking. That's called vibrating. Those fast little shakes or vibrations push the air around the glass, and the air carries the sound to your ears. That's why you hear a note when you tap. The water is like a helper. With more water in the glass, it vibrates more slowly and it makes a lower sound. But if the glass has less water, it makes it vibrate faster, and that makes a higher sound. Okay, let's review what we learned. How much water you put in the glass changes the note. If you have less water, the glass vibrates fast and makes a higher sound. If you have more water, the glass vibrates slower and makes a lower sound. It's like the glass is singing, and the amount of water changes its tune. But don't take my word for it. Kinvestigate yourself. You can do this at home. Just print the instructions at my author's website, www.donnabach.com. And that wraps up today's Kinvestigation. Don't forget to like and share this video so more curious minds can join the fun. Keep asking questions, stay curious, and I'll see you next time on Kinzie Kinvestigates Science.